Hey, this is another video. Finally got it apart. 2.9 Whipple. It was making a rattling noise. My earlier video, you can hear it grinding real bad. I finally got it loose. Finally put the bearing in. Them two bearings right there, replaced those. Got a new jack screw. I'm in the process of putting it back together. I just gotta get some parts cleaner. After I get some parts cleaner, I end up putting shit back together. Next video, it's gonna be right on the car, running. No grinding, no nothing. Until the next video, I'll check you later.